I don't think rallyista yung mga yun, no? Because as you all know, they were in their respective places in the morning and in the afternoon. Pero itong mga tolongges na kabataan, pagdating ng lilim ng gabi, nag-map na, no? That, as you can see, maraming public property and private property were damaged. At ang nakakalungkot, marami akong pulis na nasugatan. Nasa ospital naman sila ngayon. Yung isa inooperahan in our city hospital and national government hospital. And meron ng humigit kumulang 100 mga I think kabataan na gusto ang gulang, no? Na nasa poder ng alagad ng batas. Nasa Station 14 at saka headquarters who were apprehended by our men in uniform.
Any idea kung anong grupo to?
Tingin ko mga ano lang yan, mga walang magawa sa buhay.
Pero sir, they seem organized kasi kung may molotov ka, hindi ka basta-basta galing sa bahay.
Yung molotov naman, in a few minutes kaya mong gawin eh. They can always do that. But then again, nagdesisyon sila ng ganyan, then we will throw the books to them. All those damages, government properties, lahat ng na-apprehend will be charged. And I will make sure that they will pay the price. They are welcome to Manila and express their complaints and rights, especially in our public plaza. But they don't have the right to destroy properties. Ba gusto nyo ng gobyernong matino? Ba't yung sinira yung property ng gobyerno? Kaya makikita mo yung madaling i-differentiate yung rallyista na nagagalit sa pamahalaan, dala ng kakulangan at kapabayaan ng pamahalaan. Yun namang mga gustong sumikat, o ngayon sisikat kayo ngayong gabi, sisikat kayo sa mga darating na araw. Dahil you will see the light of the port. Ang Maynila ay may humigit kumulang 1,000 CCTV. We know them. We'll go after them. Before July 1 pa naman may curfew na eh. Mas maigpit lang ngayon. Kasi nakita mo yung ginawa kanina. Inutusan niya ata 10 years old. Pinakyat doon sa stoplight. Duwag din eh. Bata pa pinakyat eh.
So iti-trace din natin yun.
Tago na kayo.
Mayor, may mga minor.
Kanina, puro kayo saya. Mamaya, puro kayo iyak.
Hindi po, hindi. Wala po ko. Wala po. Wala po. Yes, sir. Pero hindi po ako. Hindi po ako nag-involve. Ikaw po, may nakistandby.